Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 29th of September with me, Richard Ferry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to euro dollar now, and once again the euro just continues to have this little bit of a consolidation and then sell off to the downside. Just consistently happened over the past few weeks. These little jumps that you get in the euro maybe give you a chance to sell, and obviously my continued strategy on euro is selling any strength that you get. And you do tend to find that these little rallies last maybe between 50 and maybe 100 pips to the upside. The maximum I suppose you could measure would be this that low 28.58 up towards that reaction high up at just under 130, so that's about 120 130 pips. So but that was the biggest move that we've seen from low to high in the course of the past few weeks, and most of these moves are seeing probably maybe 50 60 70 ticks to the upside before the selling pressure comes back in again. So I think that's the sort of distance you may be looking for in a rally. The Friday, the one from Thursday into Friday was 26.97 up towards that. Give me the crosshair up, that's a bit easier. Up towards that, yeah, about 20. That's about 70 pips up towards 27.65. So that's the sort of level you're looking at, I think, and we're maybe in the process of forming another interim, very minor low around that 2660 mark. That 2660 also, just bearing in mind that that coincides with this key low back from November 2012. Not a major resistance because, to be honest, I think the major resistance, sorry, not major support, because I think the major support has now been taken out. They were the key July and March lows from 2013, and also that 61.8% fib retracement. I think having now broken that level, if we do now lose that November low, there's pretty much nothing to hold you back from a full retracement back towards 120.40. So just bear in mind that on the downside. You look at these momentum indicators, all so bearish, it's just unreal. And arguably even with further downside potential on the RSI as well, considering the latest move got down towards 16. You're at 22 on the RSI at the moment, so there is scope for further downside. But yeah, I just think near term, you could see that little rally and a move, say 60 ticks, 70 ticks to the upside before selling off again. So your resistance is at around that 2760 area, 2770, and that's this sort of you certainly need to break that to start to think about a possible recovery. But even then, there's so much resistance on the way up, that so much overhead supply that you'd probably find it would be quickly sold into. Anyway, so I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.